California. Eastern Inyo County in south central California, San Bernardino County in southern California, until 10 p.m. PDT. At 6:57 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baker, Shoshone, Dumont Dunes, SR 127 near Dumont Dunes and Takapa.